What is guest acquisition cost in souvenir photography? Guest acquisition cost, or GAC, is one of those terms that sounds technical, but has a high impact on how we think about revenue. In simple terms, it measures how much money you spend to get a new guest to purchase a photo. But here's the twist. In most souvenir photography environments, like cruise ships, zoos, or theme parks, you didn't pay to bring the guest in. The attraction did. That means your GAC is often near zero, unless you're the attraction who operates the souvenir photography. And that's a powerful advantage if you know how to use it. Here's what that looks like in a real-world environment. Let's say you're working in a theme park. The marketing team for the theme park has spent hundreds of thousands of dollars to get guests to come through the gate. By the time they reach your photo team, those guests are already engaged, aware of the attraction, and ready to have a great time. You didn't spend a cent to get them there. So the real question is, what are you going to do to serve them and convert them? If your capture rate is low, or your team doesn't connect well with your guest, or your product feels unclear or overpriced, you're wasting the opportunity. Because every guest who walks past your lens without making a purchase or having their photo taken was essentially free to acquire. So that's revenue walking right out the door. But if you have a strong photo experience and team, from how you greet guests to how you deliver the product, you can turn that free foot traffic into high margin revenue. That's the game. Now, if you're operating outside a major attraction, maybe a tourist spot or standalone location, GAC becomes a real cost. You need to pay for ads, signage, or promos to draw people in. In those cases, knowing your actual cost per guest helps you decide where to spend money, how to price your packages, and what kind of return you're getting. But for most souvenir photo teams, the providers are inside the attraction. And the key takeaway is this. The attraction brought guests in. Now it's your job to serve them and convert them in a way where guests take home a branded photo they want to purchase and share. If you want help improving conversion rates and making the most of your near zero GAC, click the link in the video description and see how we can serve your team and your guests.